Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best online AI training tasks website. You can complete the task and earn money online. If you want to know more about this website, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is APPEN? APPEN is an organization that extends to a scope of employment opportunities that you can do from home. These positions are generally identified with AI preparing errands. You should be at any rate 18 years old to turn into an APPEN specialist. To join, link in description box. Check out how we can work from home with APPEN. APPEN offers the occasion to telecommute at your own time. They offer a lot of ventures that you should qualify before taking a shot at it. You get paid by the working hours spent. The adaptability and complete distant work make for a nice side gig for fair compensation. What amount of time does it require to get recruited at APPEN? Having a type of online presence can truly support your odds of being welcomed and onboarded to a venture. As clarified by Sam, it can take as long as a half year to get a reaction. What amount would we be able to acquire from APPEN? Answer: with respect to your inquiry, that is from APPEN, you can for the most part gain from $2.50 to $3.50 per venture every hour, and you can even chip away at different activities, rely upon how long you can give. What are APPEN microtasks? APPEN is an interpretation and language arrangements firm that additionally extends to far-off miniature employment opportunities, which it calls publicly supporting. Projects are totally done utilizing a PC and reach from deciphering sound to client experience examination to content assessment. How would I begin functioning with APPEN? Here's where to start. 1. Want to work from home? Here's where to start. 2. Find out if your present manager will permit you to work distantly. 3. Update your resume. 4. Apply for occupations. Do some perusing. 1. Build your workspace. 2. Set authority work hours. I hope you all are enjoying the videos and start from today. If you want to get more interesting online earning sites videos, please subscribe to my channel and show your love by ring the bell icon. Stay with us and don't forget to share the videos. Good luck.